Hey guys, this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and in this video we are going to learn how to set up an email automation in systeme.io. So here are the steps I list out so that you can follow through. First, you need to create a funnel. Then we will create an email campaign. After that, we'll create email sequences. Then we'll connect our funnel with our campaign. And finally, we will test it. And for the sake of this video that we only set up the email autoresponder, I already have my beautiful looking funnel here. This squeezed page is for collecting email addresses. So when people enter here, they will get to the next thank you page. So we move to the second step. Just click on these emails button here, and then you will see campaigns. Click on that one. Now, click on create. Here is your campaign name. So this is my campaign. You don't need to put a description. Then click on that one. Now we need to create an email sequence. In here, you will need to hit create. On the top right side here, for the subject, we'll say this is the info that you have requested. Then I click on save. And this is the body of the email. We'll say hey. Then you copy this template here. When it shows on their email, they will replace it with their name. You requested the info on how to start having 600 plus days, because if you put the dollar button here, it's really easy to get the email into the if you put the dollar button here, it is likely that your email will go to the spam folder, right? So I'll say USD day online. Here is how to do it. Simply visit this page. Let me know if you have any questions. You can contact me on my Facebook here. So I will hyperlink this, say Facebook. This is my fan page. And for the page that I am sending them, this page, see you at the top. Sydney, you will need to hit save. Now you can exit it. Once you're done, you need to activate it. So you can just click on these three dots here and then click on activate. In this part, you will see this email will be sent after. Actually, we have only one email here, and this is the very first email that the person obtained will receive. So we can totally be blank. The delay before sending email is 0. That means they will receive it immediately. For the next emails, you can set it like after 1 day or 2 days, 3 days, etc. You can also set after hours and minutes as well, and then you hit activate. Once you have done that, now we are going to connect our funnel with the campaign that we've created. Just go to Funnel and choose the funnel that you want to work with. Click on Automation Rules. We will need to create an automation rules. You can go here and create one. However, Systeme made it easy that we can just scroll down and click on Add Rule. Click on Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Now in here, click on the three dots again. Edit Automation Rule. Add Action. Subscribe to a campaign. Choose the campaign that we've created. For mine is IPS. Hit Save Rule. Then we are done. Now, we go to the very last part, which is testing. Just open your squeeze page, put in the name, put in the email that you want to test. Then click here to get details. And now, as you can see, the system working really well, that I received the email and it is not going to the spam folder. So you see how easy that is? Just follow every step that I list out and you will be fine. Please make sure that you also watch the videos where I guide you how to set up the email sender properly in systeme.io so that your email will not go into the spam folder. It's really important, and I put the link of the video in the description below. Just go there and watch it. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me at hithanhdotcom/Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom.